1963. A classified file reveals individuals unlike any other. They are known as mutants. Case File X-Men, a covert group led by the enigmatic Charles Xavier. Logan, Wolverine, a living weapon with no past. Storm, she bends the weather to her will. Cyclops, one look, pure devastation. Colossus, flesh to steel, indestructible. Their presence erased, their mission uncertain.
Videos reimagining famous movie characters like those from Marvel, Harry Potter, or Terminator in a 1950s setting are currently trending and exploding on YouTube. If you don't act fast, you might miss out on this golden opportunity. Take abandoned films as an example. This channel was created in 2022, yet it has already amassed nearly 54 million views and 318K subscribers. Their videos are just 1 to 2 minutes long, but they consistently hit millions of views. Sounds easy, right? According to statistics, this channel gains over 5 million views per month, earning more than $55,000 monthly. That's a goldmine. The secret? These videos evoke nostalgia and curiosity, making audiences eager to see what their favorite characters would look like in the real world of the 1950s. The best part? All generated using AI. So don't miss out. Like, subscribe, and comment to stay updated with the latest money-making ideas. In this video, I'll guide you step by step so you can create these viral videos too. Watch carefully, and let's make it happen. To get started, open ChatGPT and enter the following request. Give me a 1960s documentary-style X-Men script for a 2-minute video. ChatGPT will generate a highly detailed script including scenes, characters, and narration, all in the classic documentary style of the 1960s. From this point forward, your videos will follow this script. Next, we'll refine our visuals by asking ChatGPT, give me a prompt for a textual description of each scene to create a 1960s style AI photo. This will provide detailed prompts to generate AI images for each scene, including retro-style depictions of X-Men characters as if they existed in the 1960s. Finally, to bring these images to life as animated sequences, we'll request, give me a prompt for a text description of each scene to create a 1960s style AI animation. This will generate precise motion details for each scene, allowing AI to recreate dynamic, era-accurate movements in the distinct 1960s aesthetic. With these elements, you can effortlessly craft a visually stunning and immersive film. Save all prompts and outputs for future episodes. Access Midjourney on Discord, an AI that generates professional quality images from text prompts. Type /imagine in the chat box and paste the Xavier prompt copied from ChatGPT. To ensure the image has the authentic 1960s style, add this phrase at the beginning of your prompt. Screen grab of 1950 Super Panavision 70 movie, retro in color. At the end, add adder to specify the desired aspect ratio. Here, we'll use 16:9 for a cinematic widescreen look. Press Enter and wait a moment. Midjourney will generate 4 highly realistic images. Click on them to enlarge, then select your favorite by clicking the corresponding U1, U2, U3, or U4 button. For example, if image 1 is the best, click U1 to upscale it. After selecting, click the web button below the image to open it in a browser, then right-click and choose Save Image to download it in JPG format. Now, repeat the process with Wolverine's prompt using the same command structure. If the generated image isn't as expected, click the refresh button to regenerate variations. Once satisfied, choose your preferred version, let's say image 3, U3 for Wolverine, and download it. Midjourney offers many advanced features, which I'll cover in future videos. Now, download this image from the web and apply the same process to the remaining scenes. Next, let's bring magic to the generated images using Kling AI, one of the best tools for turning images into video. Click on AI Video and select Image to Video. Navigate to the Frames section and upload the images created in Midjourney. Return to ChatGPT and copy the motion description from the animation prompt for each scene. For example, when animating Professor Xavier, copy only the motion details to avoid unnecessary elements that might confuse the AI. Go back to Kling AI and paste the motion prompt into the designated field. In the settings, choose Professional Mode for the most detailed movement. Set the duration to 5 seconds and click Generate. Each video will cost 35 credits. Wait a moment, and hoola! Now we have a stunning and intense animated clip of Professor Xavier. If you're satisfied, click download below the video to save it. Now let's do the same with Wolverine's image. Follow the exact process and soon we'll have a dynamic, action-packed Wolverine animation with even the rainy background looking incredibly realistic. Quickly download the video, repeat the process for the remaining scenes, and store them all in one organized file for easy use. To create secondary scenes, we don't need to generate images first. Just use text prompts directly in Kling AI. For example, with Scene 5, copy its animation prompt, then switch to text to video in Kling AI. Paste the prompt into the input field, keep the settings unchanged, and click Generate. In just a few moments, you'll have a fully animated secondary scene ready to use, quick and effortless. Next, we'll generate voiceovers for the video using 11 Labs. Select Voice, then go to the Library tab and choose Narrative and Story for a compelling storytelling voice. I'll use James's voice for this project.
I must not fear. Fear is the mind killer.
In the settings, adjust the parameters to your preference. Then return to ChatGPT, copy the narration lines from our script, paste them into 11 Labs, and click Generate Speech.
The year is 1963. A clandestine file, hidden within the archives of an unnamed agency, details the existence of individuals unlike any other. They are known simply as mutants.
If the result sounds good, click Download. Now repeat the process for the next narration lines.
Case File X-Men, a covert group of extraordinary individuals possessing abilities beyond human comprehension. Recruited and trained under the enigmatic Professor Charles Xavier, their purpose remains classified.
Once all voiceovers are generated and downloaded, we'll move on to the final step to complete the video. Open CapCut and bring everything together into a seamless masterpiece. Drag the animated videos from Kling AI into the timeline, arranging them in the correct order based on the script. Trim or extend clips to match the pacing and remove any unnecessary frames. In the library, find a retro screen static background to make the introduction feel mysterious and vintage. For all video clips, go to Effects, search for VHS, and apply Noise 1 to give the footage a 1960s film look. For the final scene, use the B&W VHS effect to create a black and white surveillance camera aesthetic, making it look like it was secretly recorded. Upload the voiceover files from 11 Labs into CapCut and align them with the corresponding video clips. Drag each audio file onto the timeline, matching it to the correct scene and character. Trim or extend the audio clips as needed to ensure they sync perfectly with the visuals. Make adjustments if necessary, cut out pauses, tweak timing, and ensure smooth transitions between narration and scenes. Now, everything is coming together seamlessly. Add transitions in CapCut to ensure smooth scene changes. Next, enhance the atmosphere with sound effects. Use CapCut's built-in library or download additional SFX from the internet. Add elements like TV static for intro and transitions, rain sounds for moody or outdoor scenes, storm or wind effects for dramatic tension, glitch noises for eerie or mysterious moments.
Indestructible.
Adjust the volume and placement of each effect so they blend naturally with the video. Now the film feels alive and immersive. Find a cinematic background track to add epic intensity to the video. Trim the music to fit the video length and adjust the volume so it complements the narration and sound effects without overpowering them. For a smooth ending, add a fade-out animation to the final scene, giving it a polished and professional touch. Next, generate subtitles using CapCut's Auto Caption tool. Once created, choose a caption template that matches your style and theme for a visually appealing subtitle effect. Finally, review the entire video one last time. If everything looks perfect, click Export and choose. H.264 format for compatibility. 60 FPS for smooth playback. 4K resolution for the highest quality on YouTube. Your masterpiece is now ready for upload. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps and free AI tools, you can create professional and creative videos without spending too much time or effort. The key is your creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ideas and turn them into unique content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future tips. And if you try making a video yourself, share your results in the comments below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.